Hi guys, welcome to Code Wild, and today I'm back again with a question called merge to sorted list. It's a easy web question in code. So basically, question is we have given a two sorted linked list, and we have to merge those two sorted list into one sorted list, right? So basically, for example, if a list one of the list is 1 2 4, the other list is 1 3 4, that the final sorted list will be 1 2 3 4 4. So through this heading, it's pretty much clear that we have to one sort here, right? So so there are various ways you can use merge sort, but in this video I'm going to show the merge sort using the recursion. So basically we are just taking we are just recursively calling up if we check if the value of for example, if this is a, let's take the first list as a and second list as b. If a's value is less than b's value, just go to the next event, right? That's what how merge sort work. So if this value is greater, we just go to the next, then we check if this is greater than this. If this is greater, we just increase this, and if we check if this is greater, we increase this. I hope you got the basic idea of how much are. So let's code it. So basically the base case will be if a is double equal to null, just return b. If b double equal to return a, right? This will be a base case. So as we discussed, if a value is less than b value, then what we have to do? We have to just say a next will be merge to list a next and b, right? And we just return a. Else what we do is we just do the same thing, but we do on the b side. This b b and return b. I hope you understood how this works. Do check this once. It does work, and it does work. So I hope you like the solution. If you like the video, do like the video, and do check out. There are a lot of videos uploaded from this channel. Check those videos too. So yeah, see you in the next video. Keep coding safe. Bye.